And there's an interesting one from Shizwan. Shizwan, go ahead.
Hi, I'm Zhishen. Thank you for sharing. And my question is, as a volunteer firefighter, have you ever received any feedback that you think is meaningful for other aspects of your life?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Actually, something that connects to what we just discussed. The other day, I was driving the truck, and look, I'm driving vehicles since probably 30, 35 years. I started driving vehicles really early. I can fly airplanes, I can drive tanks, trucks, cars, motorcycles, whatever you can imagine. And obviously that gives me a certain level of comfort. And for some people, that's a safety issue. So at the fire service, we have this protocol of keeping both of your hands at the steering wheel at all times. Now, I drive one-handed, lots of, under many occasions, because it's okay for me. I know I'm in control, and I know I don't create a safety issue for the crew. And I hate black flies. We have lots of black flies in Australia. They are just around you all the time. I'm sure you've seen the joke, when somebody makes this all the time. We call it the Aussie salute because there is so many flies all around you all the time. So sometimes I chase flies when I drive the truck. I just slap my head to the window or something like that. So the senior deputy captain came to me after we came from that response. He said, "You know what, can you be a bit more focused when you drive the truck next time and keep your hands on the steering wheel and maybe not chase flies?" I said, "Yep, I will do." Now I could have said, "Oh, come on, flies are so bothering," or I don't know, like I'm really good at driving, or all that would have been completely defensive. But I knew that I was receiving this feedback within a certain protocol and within a trust environment, and whether it was fully justified or not, it doesn't really matter, but it was just an outcome of something we were supposed to do. So I took that feedback on. And in terms of real life application, yeah, I kept my cool. I rationalized it, and I know that I can display those behaviors in real life as well. If somebody makes me crazy out there on the street and I have a parking incident and somebody says something, I can choose to ignore, because I have that ability. I think those are probably type of examples. Those are all little things, right? It's not always about the big things in life, because a beautiful picture is usually comprised of little strokes and different colors here and there, and our life is like that.